I actually don't know how India Post work, but yeah, there was a parcel coming for me, and here you can see it is being attempted by this guy on Saturday, and yesterday it was delivered successful, but I still didn't got the parcel yet. And when I called the guy, I went to the post office, actually couldn't get his number. Then some guy from the post office gave his number, and when I called that guy, he was drunk, and this was his responses.
Sorry, sir. ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে, ট্রাই করবি কারণ মো শুক্রবার পড়ে আমি মনা কর নাই স্যার মনা কর নাই মই গলে দেই দেবি। হ্যাঁ 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 না ডেলিভারি ଦେଖଉଛି ନା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ତମକୁ ଜୁହାର କରୁଛି ତମେ ନାଇଁ କି ମୋର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ରହୁଛି ସେ ଜାଗା ବିଷୟରେ ଆଜି ହଠାତ୍ ବିବେକାନନ୍ଦ ପଡିଆ ଅଛି ଏଇଟା ଆମର କୋର୍ଟରୁ ଆଇଥିଲେ ତ କୋଉଟା ଅଛି ଦେଖ ନା ସେଇଟା ମୁଁ ବୁଝୁଛି ଯେ ମୋର ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଡେଲିଭରି ଦେଖଉଛି ସାର୍ ମୁଁ କହିଲି ବୁଝିପାରୁନ ସାର୍ ବୁଝୁଛି ବଟ୍ ମୋର ବି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଅଛି ନା ସେଇଟା ବୁଝିବାର ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଡେଲିଭରି ଦେଖଉଛି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ନାଇଁ କି ମୋର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ତମେ କଣ ଆଇ ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ ୟୁ ଦେଖ ଡେଲିଭର କରିଦେବେ ହଁ ମୁଁ ବୁଝିଲି କାଲି ଟିକେ ଦେଖିବେ ଟ୍ରାଏ କରିବେ ଡେଲିଭର ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି ସାର୍।
So now I'm waiting until tomorrow. If he delivers the item, that's good. Otherwise I'll do a formal complaint basically, and we'll see. I'll update you guys.